Awesome. Okay, great. So who's presenting?
I'll be presenting. Would you like me to start now?
Okay, Tim. Yes, please.
All right, great. Share my screen. Okay, so for this week, we're going to primarily be going through each of our views and making sure that they're all mobile responsive. Luckily, last week we managed to fully complete our API. So we'll be primarily working on, like I said, making every view responsive and writing Apollo queries and mutations so we can communicate to our backend so that our users can actually interact with the site in a straightforward manner. So the most important view is probably going to be the schedule view, where you'll have your calendar where you can see all of your upcoming workouts. On the desktop, that will be a monthly calendar. And on mobile, we're just going to have a vertical scroll through the week. And so I guess to show you the Trello card, I split this up into tackling the calendar modal, the ability to mark exercises completed, ability to add workouts to each scheduled session, and so on and so forth. The only thing to mention here is each workout will be populated into the calendar view. Once you click on it, it'll expand and show you the list of exercises. And then you can actually click it again, go into the workouts view, where you'll be able to view that workout. And then if you go back into the actual component, you'll be able to create workouts, edit the workouts while you're actually selecting a particular workout. Create save workouts, which is a feature that we're only allowing our premium users to use so they can recycle the same workout over and over again. And once they mark every, depending on whether they have multiple workouts within one day or not, once they mark everything as completed within a scheduled session, we'll ask the user to update their body measurement information, which will be viewed in the progress view. You'll be able to see like your starting weight, for example, and then your current weight. We're going to give each user the ability to actually customize that feature, customize both like whether they want to be prompted and what they actually see within the progress view, within the settings view. We're also going to roll up the billing and account information and all the other profile and account options that go along with that into the settings view. It'll probably look like, let me find the balsamic link. Oh, it's taking a while to load, sorry. So instead of having this be the nav, this would be like the tab modal for the settings view, for example. And we're also, of course, going to create a nav bar and then style our landing page so it's a bit more presentable. We'll have a get started link that just prompts the user to log in and create an account. Also, we'll have a notes view, and you'll be able to view those notes that you're tied to each workout. The only thing I think for this week that we might have to work on with our API is to manage subscriptions through Stripe. But yeah, everything else is just going to be front-end work. So that's our plan for the week, and we've already started delegating tasks within our Trello board. Like, let's see, yeah, Alexandra's working on the settings view. She's sick today, but that's what she's working on. Michael is going to do the navigation component. I'm going to look at the progress view, so on and so forth. So that's our plan for the week. I don't know if you have any questions or comments on that.
I'm going to stop this recording.